Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class. Today is the revision for the chapter number 1. We have completed the chapter number 1 yesterday. Now we are going to devise some questions which I think that's something new to you people. So we will revise the algorithm. Okay? Algorithm flow chart और algorithm में जो हमने पढ़ा था ना वो हम आज रिवाइज करेंगे. Okay. First of all, we have to take two numbers which are n1 and n2. So we will start. We start with the oval shape and then we will go for the input, means entering two numbers n1 and n2. So we will go for input n1 and 2. Now we will go for a decision. Okay, means n1 mod n2 is equal to 0. ठीक है, this will be the condition. So if it is false and if it is true, दो तरह की कंडीशन लगेंगी यहाँ पे false में and here will be the true. तो अगर true हो जाता है we will go for the output, print number are divisible, मीन्स के जो नंबर हैं वो एक दूसरे पर डिविजिबल हैं एंड देन वी विल एंड. ओके, और अगर फॉल्स है तो उसमें भी हम एक आउटपुट शो करवा देंगे. अगर आप करवाना चाहती हैं तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम इसको आउटपुट शो करवा देंगे दैट द नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल. और अगर आप नहीं करना चाहते तो सिंपल इसको एंड कर देंगे आप. ठीक है, now we will go for the flow lines. So here is a flow chart we have to draw. First of all, we will enter a year. So we will start our flow chart. Right? Then we will go for the input. Input and year. Okay? Then we will go for the decision, means diamond symbol. Okay, means if the year, this one year is divided, means divided by 4 and its answer is 0. Okay, means its remainder is 0. Then if this condition is true, then we will print that year is a leap year. Print year is leap year. Okay, और अगर ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाती है देन वी विल प्रिंट ट्रू होगी तो वो लीप ईयर, और अगर फॉल्स होगी मींस अगर उसका रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता देन वी विल प्रिंट ईयर इज नॉट आ लीप ईयर. ठीक है, और इस तरह से हम इस प्रोसेस को एंड कर देंगे. जी 9 क्लास समझ आई आप लोगों को? We will just take a review. First of all, we have to start the procedure. Then we will input and enter an year. Then we will go for a condition that if it, we will divide the year by the 4 and if its remainder is 0, means if its condition is true, then the year is a leap year, and if the condition is false, means the remainder is not 0, then we will print that year is not a leap year. In this way, we will end our flow chart. Okay, pre-9 class. Today we have revised just the flow chart of the examples and the given questions. Now our chapter has been totally completed. You have to learn it on your own and learn it very well. So then there will be a test on the weekend, which are delivered in your home. Okay. So you have to prepare in a good way and take the test. I will take the test. Allah Hafiz everyone.